Governor Samuel Pennypacker was a great collector of antiquities, and he was primarily focused on things that related to the Pennypacker family. And in the collection is this desk that was built by Daniel Pennypacker in 1815. Daniel grew up on the property here and the neighboring properties. He was born in 1815 and lived to 1884. The desk is made of mahogany. It has maple inlay, as you can see with the drawers, using the mahogany for the centerpiece. Variety of cubby holes for placing letters. It has drawers that you can put more items in. The scallop trim at the top is not only decorative, but it is functional. It is a drawer as well. There are side pockets that you can put vertical documents in. You have a center door. You have two drawers inside along with a mirrored piece. But you'll notice that this center section is not as deep as the pockets. Many desks will have hidden compartments. And this entire centerpiece pulls out. Sometimes they'll have items on the back, but this one has 3 boxes on the inside. But these boxes just pull out, and you have a nice small box that you can put some valuables in. And then they're all hidden behind the desk. The desktop closes, so you can store things closer at times. You have a variety of drawers underneath. And one of the great things in the collection is many of these pieces of furniture actually have paper labels on them. Samuel was great at labeling or documenting the pieces that he has. This particular label is from Solomon Grimley. That was the neighboring property. Daniel, it'll descend from him to his heirs, and then Samuel will be able to purchase this desk later. The desk, again, mahogany, has a variety of maple inlay, and then they used ivory to fill in around the lock pieces as well. So a very nicely done desk. And like I said, built by a family member. So Samuel was very proud to have pieces like this in his collection.